JK paper, a paper industry on the manufacturing is, if you see that, it is basically the capital intensive the industry, and people are more focused on doing the investment, or the management is more focused on doing the typically investment towards the plant side, because that's they feel that they're from they can actually make the money out of it. But since last 4 5 years, we are trying to push the management and trying to say that we need to give the priority to the IT and the other sectors, so that we can reap the benefit. And during this, the lots of applications, except the as the Sachin has also said, the SAP landscape, rest of the applications is already moved to the cloud. So the all because we are hugely SAP dependent the organization, where we use the end-to-end SAP for every the function. So we, apart from the SAP, whatever the bolt-on applications are required, we have moved those applications on the cloud. Similarly, the mailing and Office 365. Mailing we were using for cloud for long time, for 15 16 years. We are using the mailing cloud since very long. We migrated to the half of the user on the Office 365. So again, we can say that yes, we have moved to the cloud. But the definitely this particular the situation where we all are there at this point of time has forced the people like the JK paper management to think on that the without moving towards the cloud or the IT infrastructure which can support or can be used remotely is very important, and they have now started thinking on it. So for us now, any application we are trying to do it like we are thinking first that how we can adopt the cloud. And then we are thinking that if it is not the adoptable at the we can't adopt it the cloud, probably we are thinking at to bring it to the on-prem. But on-prem is since last one year, probably we have not deployed any application on-prem. Okay, while we were even we migrated from Oracle to SAP 1.5 year before. That time also we were thinking that when migrating to the SAP, why don't we have the data center on the cloud? Okay, lots of deliberation and the resistance from the across the corner. The people were saying that no, still the people are still having that security issue which everyone is talking about. So then we have decided, okay, fine, if we don't want to create don't want to put the infrastructure, SAP infrastructure on the cloud, let's put it on the private cloud, and we could actually do it one step ahead. Because when the people like our organization, we need to actually move it the one step at one point of time. So we could convince them and put the data on created the private cloud and put the data on the data center, or the infrastructure on the data center, which we can say that we lifted the hardware and put it there. Okay, definitely, as Sachin has said that for the DR, as Sachin has said, we are evaluating and will be going towards the putting the DR on the cloud only. That's the next step we want to do it. And during this period, as you said that the customer connect is required, we are thinking to more near to the customer. During this period, we have immediately decided to go for the solutions which can be dealer management solution and the SFA, so that we can be more near to the customer, and we can have the more connect to the dealers and all for increasing their sale or giving them the all kind of facility which is required. So we are already decided on moving on the cloud solution for it. So everyone understand today that yes, the cloud is the need of our, and we can't really we depend on the on-prem infrastructure. But yes, in my view, still some resistance are there in organization like us. We are slow mover on the adoption on the technology, but now they have also during this pandemic, they have immediately realized that without having the strong IT support, cloud technology, or the mobile technology, IoT you talk about, the probably next they will not be able to run the business for the next generation to come. So we are really now fast mover. I would say that till the beginning of this year, we were probably at the pace of 20, 30 at the pace, but now we are at the 70, 80 pace and trying to move every application on the cloud so that actually we can create the infrastructure which is not dependent on the any location or any the people, and we can run the business. So, that's how the take is on the cloud side. And for the another question which you said that developing the native applications, the yes, native applications, cloud native applications are the need of the hour. And if we really want to get the agility and the actually the benefit of the cloud, we need to redeploy their application, rewrite their applications. But we are still the, behind on those kind of thought process. First, we want to really adopt the cloud as the infrastructure. We want to use that, and then probably will look after an year or two that yes, we can really develop the applications which are the cloud native applications, so that we can get